Good morning, everyone. Let's have our prayer first. May I request Mama to lead the prayer. Amen. So, good morning again, class. Let's have our attendance first. Say present if your name is called. Bunsato. Intes. Mamak. Tabanao. Very good. You are all present. For now, before we move to our next topic, we will just have our recap. Who would like to recall on what we did discuss last meeting? Yes, Tabanao. Very good. For now, we will just have our motivations. So on our motivations, you will going to answer on our tricky questions. All of you are going to answer and you will be using the chat box. Who will be the one to answer first is the winner. Okay, let's start. For the first question, yes, we will have Mamak. Very good. Then the correct answer is 2 plus 5 equals 3 plus 4, which is 7 equals 7. Second question. Yes, we have Tabanao. The correct answer is 3.5 plus 4.5 equals 8. 3.5 plus 9.5 equals 13. 4.5 plus 3.5 equals 8. And 9.5 plus 3.5 equals 6. Very good, Tabanao. For the third question, yes, we have Bunsato who got the correct answer. The correct answer is 256. Very good. For the fourth question, yes, De Los Santos, you get the correct answer, no? When it's 9 a.m., we will just add 5 hours to it and you will get 2 p.m. For the last question, very good, Intes, who get the correct answer. The correct answer is 96. Okay, for now, our topic for today is Polya's method. No, we will the area of a rectangle using Polya's 4-step strategy. That's our topic for today. So we will just have our learning outcomes. First, know the steps of Polya's method in finding the area of rectangle. Next, find the area of a rectangle in a given problem using Polya's method and demonstrate mastery on how to find the area of a given plane figures. So we will now have the 4-step strategy of Polya. First is understand the problem. In this first step, we will just read and understand the problem carefully. We will list all the data involved and identify what is being asked. Second step is devise a plan. Set up the mathematical expression or draw diagrams or charts if necessary. For the third step, carry out the problem. Now, evaluate the expression. Make sure that you are applying the proper rules in operating on integers. For the last step is look back. After solving, check your answers and see if all necessary information has been used and that the answer is sensible. No? Again, we just all know that the area of a rectangle is width times length, where W equals width and L equals length. That's the formula in finding the area of a rectangle. So for example, we will just have our example first. So example number 1. Find the area of a rectangle of length 78 mm and width 26 mm. So again, in step 1, we will just understand the problem. Now we will just read and analyze what is being asked. For the given is the length, which is 78 mm, and the width is 26 mm. So being asked is, what is the area of a rectangle? Step 2, devise a plan. So we all know that in finding the area of a rectangle, the formula of it is length times width. So in the step 3, carry out the plan. So since the given is length and width, so area equals 78 times 26. So the area now is 2028 mm squared. For the step 4, we will just look back. No? When we look back, the area and the length are used. 2028 mm squared divided by 78, which is the length, it is equals to 26 mm, which is the width. Okay. Is there a question, class? Sina may gikalibgan, you can ask me. Okay, wala na. So let's proceed. So, again, what are the 4 steps of Pouliot's method? Yes, tabanaw. Understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the problem, and lastly is look back. Very good. For now, again, what is the formula in finding the area of a rectangle? Yes, Bunsato. Very good. Area equals length times width. Okay. Is there any questions? Okay. Miss Mama, can you discuss what have you learned from our discussion? Yes, very good. How about you, De Los Santos? Yes, very good. So again, no, the Pouliot's method is for step 1, understand the problem. Step 2, devise a plan. Step 3, carry out the plan. And step 4 is look back. That's what the Pouliot's method, no, the strategy. So for now, we will have a short quiz in finding the area of a rectangle using Polias method. Can you get one whole sheet of paper and answer this following problem? You will be given 10 minutes in answering these questions. We will just have 1 to 3 problems that you have going to answer. So, this one, please answer this one. Okay, are you done? Let's check if who get the correct answer. Okay, the correct for your assignment, I will post it on Moodle. You can check it and I will post it later. That's all for today, class. Goodbye. See you next meeting.